When I tell you I had my video edited since September, today is October 23rd. And not that I was like being lazy recording this video. September took a lot out of me. Like, I was drug through the mud, the trenches. And yeah, I spent a lot of time crying, talking to God, and just working through my emotions so I can heal through the things that I was dealing with at the point in time, which I'm, still dealing with. That was just something that I had to do alone with God, of course. And I don't want to just come on here like saying anything or pretending like, everything's all peaches and creams, because that's not life, like I'm by far from perfect. Like, there's so many things that I want to work on as, a person, as an individual, as a daughter, as a friend, as a sister, one day, as a wife and mom. And I just want to be my best self. And I feel like some things aren't, meant to be broadcasted. Like, girl, like I just said, I had to deal with these things, and I had to cry, and I had to be angry, and I had to feel the emotions of everything that I was feeling so I can get to the better headspace, or, heal from these things. Like, originally, like, my Atlanta trip was, I'm gonna say like a vacation, but I was definitely going to see someone, and things didn't, turn out the way it was supposed to turn out. Plus, it was like, a little business trip too. Just so happened the days that I was going, my best friend had off. So, what she did? She got her and came to Atlanta. And I'm just grateful that I have a friend that, will do those type of things. I feel like Jasmine always shows up when I need her the most, or when I'm down, and I'm just so grateful for her. I really do love my best friend, and when I make it in life, I'm not gonna get out of Birkin. She told me don't get out of Birkin because she said she's gonna sell it anyway, so I'm gonna pay her rent for a few months or something, because I gotta get back somehow. Get a new car or something. I don't know. Jasmine aggravating and ungrateful, so I don't know what I'm getting. Maybe just write a little check or something. But I hope y'all enjoy my vlog. Like, comment, subscribe. What y'all want to see in the near future. Give your girl some ideas. Honestly, y'all might see a little more Jasmine Khalesia, because we're coming to a city near you. We're on tour. What's up? I'm on YouTube now, girl.
Really?
The lighting is terrible from that angle. Lashes by Hannah shake me back every time. Every time. Every time. Like, I'm that girl. There Nola goes. Only me and you. Only me and you. It is 1 a.m. and my flight is in 4 hours. And I probably head to the airport towards like 3. So yeah, gonna shower, pack the rest of my like little things and lay down and watch Power until it's time. Because yeah, I'm probably just gonna sleep on the plane 9 times out of 10. I'm gonna take a nap when I get to Atlanta, of course. I'm so excited. So excited. Bust down middle part. Yeah. I have literal like hair stuff all over me. Girl. Yeah, but I need to finish like packing and get my stuff together. Shower. Yeah. What else I need to do? I want to cuddle with Nola before I leave as long as I can. Because I just feel bad leaving her. Like, then look at this blend. Is it giving Beyonce? Beyonce. You look like Luther Vandross. Ready to get out of New Orleans. I cannot run fast enough.
Please hold on. This train is departing. The next stop is Concord Beach. Please hold on. This train is stopping. Please collect your belongings and watch yourself as you exit.
Beautiful city at night.
It is pretty.
It's not even downtown, it's midtown.
So I just checked into my hotel room. I am in Atlanta, Georgia. Georgia. Yeah, Jasmine comes tomorrow. I really don't know what we're doing. I was supposed to go to the aquarium today, but I got distracted. I did not make it. I was tired, honestly, when I landed. I did not sleep at all yesterday. Like, I got home, did my hair, finished packing everything, and still forgot to pack some stuff. So I forgot to pack some stuff, and
we have entertainment for everybody. Relax while the kids laugh and
what else I was
help their
gonna say?
favorite TV friends. Select their
I wanted to go to Cascade tomorrow, but
take them to see and enjoy watching it on the big screen.
really we could just go Sunday. I went straight to the airport. I went to the airport at like 3 a.m. I've never been so prepared to go to a flight. That's how ready I was to get out of New Orleans. Like, I'm so tired of being in New Orleans. I just got some breakfast. It is 9 a.m. I believe. I'm up early as heck. I had woke up like maybe like 7 something. And you know, Atlanta's an hour ahead from New Orleans. So I'm like, what the heck? 6 a.m.? Why the hell am I waking up at 6 a.m.? But yeah, Jasmine should be here in a few hours. I'm so excited to see my best friend. I haven't seen her since July. I hate that Atlanta has these hills because who's walking these streets? Not I. And I'm already like, I can feel my shin splints. I'm on the way back to the hotel. I got some water, got some breakfast, a karaoke bar. Every night, karaoke, 9 p.m. to 3 a.m. I want to go. I wonder if it's like, if we lit. Like, black people lit. Oh, white people lit, it's even better, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I love partying with the white people. But yeah.
Where are your fucking clothes? I'm going back in the
Come back. I just want to jump out.
Literally.
Oh my gosh. Hi. Get my content. Oh, what this is? What that is? Bitch, we look like tourists. My sexy best friend. You're so beautiful. Carisha to my JT. They don't like each other. Oh, shit. Oh, the world is when I rule the world. Ooh, nipple slip. Oh, please. Ooh. The weather. And we in all black.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's Jasmine. We here in Atlanta. We downtown at the Centennial Olympic Park. Motherfucker. Yeah, we just gonna like skate later. We gonna skate a little bit, not too much. And yeah, I just want to show y'all like I'm in my city. Like I love when I'm home. You see me? I don't know nothing. I can't do no more.
I wonder how they would taste it.
Pickle, fried pickle.
Yeah, with the batter on there, because I had fried string beans before and it was good. But with the pickle, they probably be even better.
Hi hotties. So today is Monday. It is the end. Oops. Oopsies. It is the end of my trip. Jasmine left this morning. Her flight was for 1, I believe. And then I leave tonight at like 7:45. I leave at 7:45. I'm doing my hair so I look decent in the airport because ain't no way. Weekend was very eventful. Honestly, we really our day was like Sunday. Like we Sunday fun day. Saturday we tried to go out, but it just wasn't working out. Like it wasn't meant for us to go. We literally got food, went, got cute, and can't lay down. Titi was tired. I had a very fun day yesterday. I went to the aquarium and I had did a ceiling counting, and it was so fun. Definitely worth the money. I'm checking out of the hotel. I'm so sad to go. Oh my god, I miss my best friend already. Bye, Atlanta. Until next time.